Oh, smells good.
Oh, tasty.
Add a little more salt.
Now I just gotta cut the green onions and I'm done.
This smells good!
I like mine medium rare right here. See that one? Yeah, right over there. Then I flip it over on this side.
What am I doing? I got to fix the kids' plate outside. Sit that right here. Now it looks perfect.
Time to go relax.
Are you enjoying your food, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is tasty. Thanks for watching Fax TV Kids. Click the button below and subscribe.